Hello Bittorrent token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the July month. What is the price pump, is the price jump in the July or not? In this video I'm going to show you on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research. So friends, keep watch this video complete, and before starting this video please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. So now my friends, at this time the latest price of the Bittorrent token is 0.002667 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Bittorrent token. Furthermore, you can see that the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the price of the Bittorrent token as positive, my friends. Every changes is positive, so absolutely if the changes is positive, so they will make you millionaire, they will make you rich, my friends, because the changes is positive. And if the changes is positive, the positive, that's mean that the price is going to increase, and if the price is increased, so that's mean that you're become a millionaire, my friends. So my friends, in the Bittorrent token, the every changes is positive, my friends. Let me show you the price chart. From this price chart, that's clear for everybody that now at this time the BTT token price is ready to explode, my friends. They are loading. So if you're new to my channel, I request again and again to please subscribe my channel, my friends. And you know what, my friends, the last changes, you can see the last 3 month changes is still negative. What's the reason behind that? Because you know what, my friends, in a previous month you can see completely, my friends, from the April, the price of the Bittorrent token is falls down, and still the price of the BTT token is falls down. Now in the end of June, the Bittorrent token start jumping, my friends. So that's why the changes is positive, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Bittorrent token? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Subscribe now.